Ever feel like everyone else is moving forward, while you're stuck in the same place, like life is a race you didn't train for? Here's the truth, you're not behind. You're overwhelmed. That was me last year, trying to catch up to people I didn't even know. Until someone said, you don't need to speed up. You need to zoom in. Life feels overwhelming because you're looking at the whole staircase. Zoom in just one step, one improvement, one win. Every morning, choose one thing your future self will thank you for, just one. Cut the 80% of things that drain you. Keep the 20% that actually matter. Get a little better every day, just 1%. Those small wins will compound, and comparison will start to disappear. You're not behind. Your vision is just too zoomed out. Change the focus and everything changes. Comment 1% today if you're ready to take your step. If this lifted you even a little, hit like, share, and subscribe. Let's grow stronger together.